Creating UDFs. In this task, we create a UDF from a feature in a part model. First, we enable only the display of datum planes. We then right-click Extrude To and select Info, Reference Viewer. And in the Reference Viewer dialog box, notice that Extrude To references the datum plane right and Extrude 1. We can then click the down arrow next to each of the references and we can cursor over each of the references to see them highlight on the model. So we notice that the top flat surface and the circular surface are two references on the model. We then click Close from the Reference Viewer. In the ribbon, we select the Tools tab and we click UDF Library. We then click Create and type Keyway as the name, and then press Enter. We click Subordinate, Done, Add, Select, and select Extrude To. This is the feature that will be added. We then click Done Return. So notice the top surface highlighted in red. This is the first required reference. We then have to type a prompt for this surface. So we'll type Sketching Plane. Then the next reference highlights, and we have to enter a prompt for it. So we'll enter Orientation, Reference Plane, and press Enter. Now the cylindrical surface highlights, and we type Cylinder Surface, and press Enter. We then click Done Return in the Menu Manager. And in the UDF dialog box, we select Variable Dimensions, var dims, and click Define. We then zoom in on Extrude To and select the width and length dimensions. We then click Done Return and Done Return from the Menu Manager. Then the first dimension highlights, and we have to enter a prompt. So we'll enter Key Width and press Enter. Then for the second dimension, we enter the prompt Key Length and press Enter. Then click OK from the UDF dialog box. This completes the UDF creation. This completes the demonstration.